Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bringing another Civic video today. We're currently in the process of trying to finish up this turbo install. We're running into issues, what do you know? So we're currently in the process of trying to get this thing to the point where we can start it, but we're running into an issue where the car is not wanting to start. The stock ECU is still installed in the car, so what we're thinking is maybe we need to put the OBD1 ECU in. So we're going to do that now and try. But it requires a little bit of depinning of the stock plugs and kind of rewiring stuff, so we're going to work on that right now.
Anyone's watching the video, there's this lock here. It only moves up a little bit, but that's all it took. You just pry it in the couple spots that allows you to. There's like a little pocket right there, there, and there.
So that white tab, you just got to pull
it
up.
And once it's about, this is like a millimeter less maybe of distance where it was raised before it met the gray part, and that's how you know. And then it came out immediately.
Nice.
So let's do it again.
Both of those just going to be moved to different locations?
Well, the orange one's the ground, and you're actually removing it entirely.
Oh, okay.
Which is kind of weird to me, but
Yep.
okay. So I think I got it. But with Alex's help, we got that one out, and now we just need to move this one right over to the end, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah. This guy just moves over here to the first one. Or last, however you look at it. Alright, and she's in. This one can be removed. Probably tape it up.
Yeah.
And when you can just remove the old ECU. Push that lock back in. This has Hondata. Yeah, so if I were to take it apart, you'd see it inside. It's soldered to the board.
Cool.
So, and then they cut this out so you can plug up, whatever you need.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Okay. Chickens in my wood off. Doesn't make sense. Oil pressure.
You're getting oil pressure?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
That's working.
That's working, yeah. Alright, so we didn't have any luck with the new ECU. We're thinking it's just an issue with the current tune. With the new fuel injectors, maybe it's just dumping way too much fuel. So I guess we're gonna wait and see and try and get a new tune. Because we did pull spark plugs and every single one of them did have fuel on it. So we know that the wiring for the new injectors and everything is working.
It's not, if it just doesn't know how, or if it sees so much fuel coming in, I just don't think it's gonna operate right.
Yeah. I think it's just getting way too much fuel and it doesn't want to start. But now we're on the way to Night Owl so we can get this intercooler piping welded up, because that was another one of our mistakes.
The cool kids are going We're an open flame, we will not be tamed, and we are fools breaking records, singing, we make the rules, chasing echoes, singing, Open the car and jump on the train. Got one left to live and love on the brain. We're ready to go and ready to move. We got no regrets, we live like a fool. I know that they're probably right, and maybe I'm wasting my life.
Alright, so we've pretty much come to the conclusion that it's definitely just dumping way too much fuel. So he's gonna have to end up getting a new base mount. So now this is kind of just turned into a random mess around, wash cars, just kind of do whatever day. continuing the randomness of this weekend. We're gonna do spark plugs, wires, and new lug nuts on the Corvette.
What's up, boomer people?
What's up?
Ha! I stole Alex's camera. He's finishing up that side. This side is done. Lane made a special appearance. I don't know where he is, but there's car is.
Hey, I'm here.
He's, you know, breaking more things to get more status points or something. I don't know.
Scene points.
Scene points, right? So all 4?
Yep.
Oh wow, you're a mad scientist. All right, well let's button her up. See if she starts.
Alright guys, I'm going to end that one here. Like I said, really random video. We were just working on whatever we had going at the house. Look forward to us buttoning up the Civic and getting it going very soon. More Corvette videos coming. Got a few Miata video ideas I want to do. So stay tuned for all of that right here every single Monday. But for now, I need to go to bed. So remember to leave a like if you liked the video. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.
Victorious. In this day and age, I got time for innovation, time to be creative, time too big to waste on my time on critics hating, flattered by your opinions to show you I'll just embrace it. Now watch.